Welcome to FDR Tech. Today we have something special. We are going to quickly review the speeds of Starlink internet service. We are here in the mountains, about just under 6,000 feet above sea level. And the internet service that we have here is Starlink-based internet. You can see off in the distance the little antenna sticking above the tree right there. That is the antenna that receives the signal. We'll go walk in the snow right now and get you kind of closer up look on this thing, and then just do a quick speed test just to see how well this thing works. So let's have a look and head down to the snow. So as we make our way towards the base of the pole, which is a tree, we're gonna have a quick look. So as you see right here, here's our conduit. The conduit is feeding the cable up the tree all the way to the antenna right there. So there's our antenna. I'll zoom in really quick. See, there's our antenna sitting right there to the sky. See, the reason why we couldn't do it the other way is because at the top of the house here, we have all these trees in the way and stuff like that. So it would make the signal kind of hard to get. So they decided to put the antenna right here. So there's our antenna. And as we walk back towards the house, it goes underground under all this snow up the hill. That is the junction box that gets the conduit riser, pardon me, and then shoves it into the house. And then from there it goes to the router. So let's see what types of speeds we can get from our little antenna. Test has concluded. On the 5 gigahertz network, we have 107 megabits down, 8 meg up. And on the 2.4 gigahertz network, we have 31 megabits down and 10.4 up. And this is actually outside on the deck, away from the router in the house. So not bad. Pretty good results. I mean, out in the mountains, it's pretty good. We actually have internet out here. So this is just a quick review of this thing. There's a bunch more in-depth reviews on the Starlink service online. Go check them out. But thank you for watching FDR Tech. Have a great day.